Can suntan lotions be bad for you? Are there certain types you should avoid? I'm just going to whiz you through the categories of suntan lotion and give you some advice on which ones to do. So this is not the internal ingredients. I'll have different videos about whether you should be using physical versus chemical sunscreens. This is the format. So suntan lotions come in creams, they come in oils, they come in sprays, they come in once a day type formulas. So cream suntan lotions are emulsions plus the active ingredient, and we're going to do and look at those as a whole different piece. Bonuses: easy to use, we're all well used to them, spread them around, they're a ball ache to keep putting on every day. It's the downside of the world being sunny. Ones I really think you should avoid: sprays. One, to make them you have to put things like propane and butane gases in them. You've then got an aerosol spray, which is just terrible for the environment to get rid of. And the big thing is you are literally spraying those ingredients and making them bound to be inhaled by yourself, by your children, and for them to go through and into your body through inhalation. Like, there are some not so friendly ingredients in sunscreen, so inhalation, we know why they exist. They are targeted at family, at the kids market, because it's such a pain in the friggin' backside spreading suntan lotion over a 3-year-old who doesn't want to be there. But genuinely, I would avoid them. And then the last category, there are some lovely oil suntan lotions. Make sure it's not a low factor one, it's got to be a good one, and in that sense they tend to become creams. And all day P20s, for me, just never. It's such poor messaging that you only need to put suntan lotion once a day. Australia is outlawing them. That should tell you something. You're not allowed to have a sunscreen where it's saying you should only put it on once a day. So pretty much it's probably going to be a cream. Please subscribe, follow, any comments, and make sure you watch the one where I go in more depth about what is then inside that cream.